Hello, 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 and welcome to another video. My name is Hiljin Sabangan, your millennial real estate agent. Before the video begins, please consider liking and subscribing. Would really help the channel a lot. I would really looking to help grow and provide more value to all you millennials and Gen Zers looking to purchase real estate. Well, today's video is going to be on the benefits of home ownership. And I think this is going to be a great video for anyone who is currently renting and have been thinking about purchasing a home. I really want to speak to you directly because I want to outline the benefits there are to actually owning a home and almost kind of shift your paradigm towards um, what you may think becoming a homeowner brings to you as far as value goes. Okay, so let's go right into it. Okay, so number one is there are a lot of significant tax deductions when you are a homeowner. Okay, and can't really talk about tax deductions without actually um, mentioning that there are a lot of fees that come along with home ownership, right? And I'm sure a lot of that scares people away. These fees are property taxes, mortgage points, more private mortgage insurance if you're an FHA, and also the interest, right? Obviously, right now, interest rates are on a record low, but people still kind of are a little apprehensive when knowing that they have to borrow money and pay a fee for that. But the good news is, as a homeowner, come tax time, you're actually able to deduct a lot of these things. And depending on where you live, these deductions could end up saving you thousands and thousands of dollars, which is great. Obviously, saving money is a good thing. Um, so just depending on talk to your tax lady or tax man, get an idea of what it would look like. Get an idea of what typical homeowners in your area are saving, and see how that fits your bottom line and just how it fits your annual plan, your annual savings plan, so to speak. So tax deductions, great benefits of being a homeowner. Now, number two is you are actually building wealth. Sorry, I just got a text message. I'll go to that later. You're actually building wealth. Okay. Now, this is the paradigm shift that I want to actually really start to just poke or hint at, is that when you're purchasing a home, it's really like you're starting a brand new savings account. Why is that? It's pretty known that owning a home is like, it's like basically an investment, right? Because real estate is one of the safest investments that you could actually make for yourself. um, Now, real estate won't give you like the crazy return on investment like maybe the stock market will give you 20% over a year, or 20% even in a day for day traders. But it's a very low risk investment. It's a slower return on investment, but it's a almost a guaranteed return on investment, especially if you're in an area such as California, where you're getting 8% return on investment every single year. How does this work? It's because home prices continue to rise, right? Home prices continue to rise. And when you actually have a home and you're paying off your mortgage every single month, you are paying both money towards the interest, but you're also paying money towards the principal of that amount that you borrowed. And then every single time you do that, you are building wealth and you're creating equity for yourself with that home. So that combination of increasing home prices and putting money towards the principal of that loan builds wealth. And this opens up doors for you in the future, because you could get to a point where you could actually borrow against the equity of your home, and you could kind of use that money for whatever you want. I know a lot of people who've done that and started their own businesses, um, actually use it to invest in stock, or even use it to pay off credit card debt. So there's a lot of different opportunities that you can actually receive when you own a home, and look at it as a savings account, so far and so forth. Um, so yeah, Savings account, you build wealth. It's a great way to be able to achieve financial freedom for the future of you and your family. Okay. And number three, speaking of freedom, owning a home is pretty much the American dream, right? And also you have the freedom to really do whatever you want with the home once you actually own it. And this is very different as a renter because obviously you are kind of in the you have to follow what your landlord says. Like if you wanted to paint the wall, you couldn't really do that on your own terms, or if you wanted to do some landscaping in the backyard, you really couldn't do that either. As a homeowner, you have the creative capacity to do whatever it is that you would like. And that brings that sense of achievement. And I know like the millennial generation, the Gen Zers, we are very, very passionate about being able to express ourselves freely. Um, Being able to express yourself in your home, express your creative out, just your creativity, and do that just freely without having any restrictions. I know that's that's something that we value. Our generation values quite a bit. Um, and not to mention, the whole idea of being able to just to raise our family, build our careers, build our relationships with our significant others in our own home. That just brings a peace of mind, and almost just it's just something that you can't really put monetary value towards. Um, so freedom. Number three benefit of being a homeowner. So yeah, I mean that takes me to the very end, team. These are like the three main benefits for millennials, Gen Zers that I was able to really just conjure up doing a lot of research, and yeah, it's just a great step to take in your life when you are ready to take it. Right, big responsibility, big moves, but it's something to build towards, and um, it's something that you just can't really. It's a very memorable time in your life. So but yeah, that's all I got, team. These are the three benefits of home ownership. Now, if you have any questions or you want to just talk and prospect about the idea of moving from a renter to a homeowner, I'd be very happy to talk to you about it. Shoot me a direct message, and we could set up a time, a Zoom call to be able to kind of go over the process and kind of just get that ball moving. So until next time, team, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.